an angel food cake, a couple of blocks of ice cream, and a tub of Cool Whip. That is genuinely the entire recipe for this easy dessert at home, and the oven never even gets turned on. Hey friends, today you and I are going to make an angel food ice cream cake. We're not turning on the oven. This is an easy cake made at home, an easy sweet dessert without turning on the oven. It only takes 3 ingredients. So you've got one ingredient, 2 ingredient, and 3 ingredients. Super easy, right? Let's get into it. We begin by opening up the store-bought angel food cake, and we are going to gently cut it in half. So I have a serrated knife, a knife that I usually would use to cut bread, and that works perfectly on this angel food cake. So I'm going to cut the cake in half here, and we're going to work with the bottom half first. So there we go. I'm going to set that top piece aside. Here I've got a nice beautiful cake plate. Dates back to the early 1900s. Was my great grandmother's cake plate. Okay, so now I've got my gallon of ice cream or whatever size ice cream. It's not gallons anymore. It's probably like a half a gallon. And I'm going to just cut the outside cardboard packaging off so that I have full access to the complete block of ice cream. And it's frozen, so it's going to hold its shape. And it's going to take me just a second to get this packaging off. It was a lot easier when they would come in square or rectangle containers. All right, so now I'm just going to take a super sharp knife and I'm going to cut the ice cream up into blocks, small blocks, because I'm going to then take these small, see how I'm cutting into rectangles there? I'm going to take these rectangle blocks of ice cream, the small blocks, and in a moment I'm going to layer them on top of that bottom layer of the angel food cake. So this is super easy, simple ingredients, 3 ingredients, and a very simple, easy dessert sweet recipe to be making here at home. So now I am going to bring my cake plate over. Now that's the bottom of the angel food cake. And I'm going to just start assembling the chunks and blocks of ice cream all the way around the top of that bottom half. I'm going to pinch some of the ice cream blocks apart so that I can fill in the little wedges of openings there from the way that my blocks of ice cream are laying on that cake. Now I'm going to just do one layer around. You could do another layer if you wanted to. Your cake's going to be just a little higher. It actually is pretty nice. The higher the cake, I think that it looks really nice, a high cake. So if you know what I mean here, you could take more ice cream. I'm working, by the way, with a nice strawberry ice cream. Oh, and there we go. We're going to put the top of the angel food cake on next. But if you wanted to do that extra layer of ice cream, that cake's just going to be a little taller. Next comes our third ingredient, super easy here, is the Cool Whip. And we're going to just place that Cool Whip on top with the spoon. And then we're going to just start moving that Cool Whip all the way until it completely covers the outside of this ice cream cake. It is simple. It is easy. It is a nice sweet dessert made right here at home. So I'm going to tuck some of that Cool Whip down the center because, as you see, the angel food cake does have a little hole. It's like a little donut hole. And you don't have to work super fast. Now, you think you would with the Cool Whip and the ice cream, but everything is going to, I mean, you can't work super slow, but you do have plenty of time to move the Cool Whip around the cake. It is super fun, super easy. And if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so that I can see a little bit more of you. Now we're going to continue on with our Cool Whip here, moving it around the cake, kind of pushing it and making it look as even as possible all the way around the top of the cake, the sides. And I'm going to use pretty much a complete container of the Cool Whip. And let's get back to the ice cream. You can use any flavored ice cream that you like. If you like chocolate, if you like blueberry, this is a strawberry, but you could do a moose tracks. Any type of ice cream is going to go with that angel food cake, right? The angel food cake is a very nice, neutral, easy, kind of a light tasting cake. So any ice cream is going to work out just beautifully. And it's kind of fun. Depending on who you're making this for, you can choose whatever ice cream kind of fits the vibe, right? And so I'm just going to take a knife and I'm just going to kind of smooth it a little bit. Yeah, so it looks a little bit more even than with my spoon. Kind of try to even out those edges there on the top. And obviously, we're going to store this cake in the freezer until you are serving it. Now, you can let it set out for about 10 or 15 minutes before you serve it if you'd like, but I wouldn't set it out any longer than that because that ice cream will start to melt. So you want to make sure it's stored in the freezer, and then before you serve it, you can let it set out for 10 or 15 minutes. So there we go. Yum. And there we have it. The cake is going to go right back into the freezer. Now, I like to let it freeze for about 2 hours before I would be serving it. And there we go. Hey friends, all right, here is the ice cream cake, all about done, completed, about 2 hours in the freezer. And you do want to let it set up for at least 2 hours before you're going to serve it or cut it, just so that it kind of all comes together. So we're going to cut it here. And remember, this cake was easy, 3 ingredients, no stove, no stove top, and you've got a fun cake to have, eat, serve, or take with you, right? So we're just going to take a nice kind of like a bread knife and cut into this. I did let it set out of the freezer for about 10 minutes, just so that you're able to cut it, right? So here we go. Here's that first piece. I gotta get my camera guy here. Right there, look at that. See the layer of the ice cream, strawberry ice cream in there? I mean, it is angel food, strawberry ice cream. And remember, now you can choose whatever kind of ice cream you want inside this cake. That's what's so fun about it. I mean, a nice vanilla is delicious too. Some caramel sauce on top. I could have some fresh strawberries on top. I mean, it's just endless, right? On the customizing this cake. But if you like a chocolate cake or a peanut butter fudge, moose tracks, what other blueberry ice cream, can be any ice cream that you want. Let's take a bite here. It's gonna be sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So I've got ice cream, a little bit of the cake, and some Cool Whip. So good. That angel food cake always just takes you way back, doesn't it? But it is a very nice blend with that easy Cool Whip. It's very light, not heavy, rich. But I think you could make it more rich, right? Some caramel sauce, if you use chocolate, ice cream, things like that. This is just a very nice light strawberry flavor. It's beginner friendly. And hey, listen, if you're looking to make something, cook something, or not cook, but make something sweet at home, here's your cake. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.